my name is Renato Marques. I am the head instructor of Heavy Rescue Portugal and I am also a RESQTEC Product Specialist. I am here today in Penela Training Ground and I would like to give you an overview about the new RESQTEC NT Hybrid Trolley. NT Hybrid lifting bags have been used in rescue and recovery operations for more than 20 years. The NT Hybrid lifting bags have proven their high performance and reliability in unlimited situations and environments all across the world. Now the NT2 and NT4 hybrid bags are available in a trolley. This is an easy way to store, grab, transport and put in place. Let me show you some of the features. Here you can see the NT2 trolley and the NT4 trolley. The NT2 trolley comes with two NT2 bags and the NT4 trolley comes with one NT4 lifting bag. The NT Hybrid trolley has a handle that can be extended so you can easily pull it to the rescue location. Another cool feature that the NT Hybrid trolley has is the hose reel system. It makes it very easy to grab, pull and to unroll and connect the hoses. Besides all of this, NT Hybrid trolley has cribbing block integration, so you can easily connect the cribbing blocks to the trolley, which will help you to have a much more stable lifting. It also have integrated LED lights that you can easily operate even in the darkness and to have full control of the lifting. Let me show you how to use the NT Hybrid trolley. As you can see in this video, the NT Hybrid trolley is a lightweight equipment, easy to use and to deploy, with a low insertion height, but we can reach a very good height in a short amount of time. Another big advantage of the NT trolley and the NT Hybrid bags is that you can use individual or stacked. It will depend on the situation. As a personal remark, I like always to play with the NT4 and the NT2 on the top of each other. For me, it will be very good to use if we can have this system on a trolley. I will show you how. Okay, so now we have connected the NT2 with the NT4. And you have a hybrid trolley with the NT4 and the NT2. I hope that you have enjoyed this quick overview of the NT Hybrid trolley. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.